Shubor nagaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Hadin kejing bujeli Menteri Thamai hapo ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance na kaliang Menteri Rangba Kajela ukonrat ke sangma ha kesengi palai ulah bah kam bat IT hoba Preston Tensong balong usembut Menteri Rangba Kajela ya ketenat ke Khot kakia kadba ya ketenat rijingri la benta syauba Sanbor Sulai badang simti Shen kum Menteri Batamai Haba ya keren baduba Sanbor Sulai hene kesengi kabadai ru kesengi kabadang nengkong ba udang simti kum Menteri Sorkar ulaong ba wai kublai yo Menteri Rangba ubala IT hu ya kitnat Sorkar repair bat hakas ngin nengkong kabanwan unsa syong ban pek ya kijing don kam kamtam haba ya dai bat katnat labor kabadai na kabanta kipaj ba kibasyu belah ulaong ru bakat kum kijing betha jong Sorkar pedeng ngihaban pun urlong ban yarap ya kibasyu belah sngi Habai dai berkejeng ki jong kakong Angela hakini ki kendiat sngi bandawa ya kahok jong kipaj ba Nongbylla na kaliang uba Sanbor ulaong ngamtip kakong Angela kabat kum ka na kabenta ki Nongbylla hanrai ngan sa Khot ya ki Ophisar bantip badlada kadai kabenta jong ki Nongbylla ba ki dai ban yo kamtam ya ke Pisa ka badai ho ke jong ki ngidai ban pelat ya ki bat ngin pa ya ke Pisa sya ka akaun jongki.
Actually, this too I have seen that she have taken up this issue where she have sit alone also in the main secret gate. So, since I'm not so much acquainted with all these things, what we have seen only in the newspaper, her demand, and I don't know also what destination she is holding for the laborers, whether she's the president of the laborers or this, that, I'm not aware. But like I have said earlier, I will call the officer and I will see that if it is genuine that we have to give or disburse this money to all the genuine laborers as enshrined in the rules, so each one of them will be getting at par, justice will be done, and direct whatever money that they are supposed to get, it will go direct to their account. I'm not satisfied anything. Once you work for the public, not for anything else. You work for the benefit of the public at large, for the benefits of the people of the state in general, not for other else. To be examined since I have taken over as the new labor minister. So, like I have said, on Monday I'm calling the officer, then I will examine what is the problem. Accordingly, at the level of my department and the officer will have to give justice to the beneficiaries.